Hey, okay, so we're live. I just want to do like a quick video about my empties. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos about Scentsy consultants doing their own empties videos. And I think it's really helpful because it can kind of like, you can get feedback on like the things that I've tried, and I can tell you my experience and see if it's maybe right for you. And then I'm also going to talk shortly about, or briefly about, the things that I'm currently in the process of going through. So I've got just a couple here. Let me move this out of the way because I didn't mean to put it there. Okay, so this is my box of empties. Oh gosh, there's a shipping label on there I forgot about. Of course I'm gonna probably go through more than the average person because I make samples for people. And so that's what a lot of the bricks are in here for. Let's just start with pink poinsettia. Can you see it? Okay, this one I did samples of, and it smells so good. Like, this one was going and going and going in our house. I did one brick cube, and each of the 3 warmers in like the living room, because our living room is like massive. It's the kitchen, the dining room, and then the living room all together in like an L shape. So there's nothing that keeps things separate, so you kind of have to pick a scent you like and warm it all in that area. But this one was really good. It's a good performer. This one's still available, and I believe it will be part of the Cyber Monday sale. So I'll point out things that should be in the sale, hopefully. But it smells so good, and I love keeping the clamshells. I think I'm gonna maybe keep a collection because they hold the smell a little bit. Like, there's still like little pieces in here. So I think it's cute. And also, I've seen where people are taking and making wreaths out of these little ones, like Christmas wreaths. I think that's cute. Or a wreath for your office or something. And then some people are using these to give to art teachers so that they're like little paint cups for kids. So I might do that. If I get duplicates of a scent, I'm gonna wash it out and then donate this to one of the schools I go to as a sub. So that's my first empty with pink poinsettia. I think I used probably like 4, and then I made samples out of the rest. So I guess I'm just gonna chuck it on my bed for now. Let's go through another brick, vanilla, cinnamon, maple. We like this one a lot, my entire family and I. It smells really good. Oh yeah. To me, it smells better when it's warming than when it's cold in the clamshell. Warming, it was really nice. I'm so happy with this one. So I thought about putting this one in my Scentsy Club, but my Scentsy Club's getting kind of big, so I had to make some hard choices. So that one's a good one. I think that brick will be in the sale as well. And then spiced eggnog. This is one that I added to my club. My Scentsy Club is like the subscription thing where you get discounts on so many things, and I've made posts about it, so if you have questions, let me know. The Scentsy Club, spiced eggnog, but I'll be getting it in like this size. So that's what I like about clubs. You can get these bricks in the smaller ones. Spiced eggnog was so freaking good. This will be in the sale as well. I believe the Cyber Monday sale for bricks will be 2 for $30. So these, when they first came out, were 2 for $40 or $24 each. And then, so this sale makes them $15 each, which is stellar. Hello, Lori. I'm glad you popped on. I'm just going through my empties and sharing things that I've been loving and using, and then also sharing things that I'm currently going through. So next I've got Strawberry Rose. My brothers are obsessed with this one. It performs for so long. We've had it in both of their bedrooms for like at least 2 weeks, and it was just going and going. We could smell it throughout the, because their bedrooms are across from each other, and so it's just really great because like it also kind of scented the bathroom in the middle. So good. And I'm mad because this was in the clearance section because it didn't come back like in the catalog, and I only got 1 from the clearance section, and now I'm sad because I can't get any more for now until it comes back. So this is a little bit of a heartbreak, but that one was really good. Cashmere and corduroy, really good. I just finished this one yesterday. It's currently going in the living room, and I like it a lot. It's like sweet, but also like kind of like cozy smelling. I don't know. it's really hard to, I'm not the best at describing scents, but this one I think would be a very like tolerable scent for a lot of people. Okay, that one's done. Blue Grotto. This is the brick that we're gonna get next in my Scentsy Club, because this is just not enough. My mom is obsessed with it, and it's a good like transition scent. So I'm kind of going nose blind to a lot of the sweet stuff that we've been warming, and so I think I'm gonna get some more of this and like a citrus based scent and warm that for a couple days to give my nose like a difference, so that I can like pick up those smells again. But I'm also kind of like nasally and gross. But Blue Grotto is really good. It's so bright and happy, and it smells like the best kind of like summery scent, but it's available year round. So if that makes sense, I don't know. Hey Jessica. So let me keep going. Welcome Home, we finished recently. This was one of the first ones I ever bought. It smells really good. It's very spicy, and I think this will be a great gift to somebody who just bought a house, or if they're bringing a baby home or something. That would be really good. I like it a lot. It didn't make it to my bed. Okay, and then we're getting there. We're almost there. This is Spiced Apple Chestnut. I just finished making samples of this one. I'm gonna have to get a refill of this. Okay, I think I'm back. Hi bestie. I'm just going through and sharing my empties so that people can kind of like get an idea of what I like and what they might like. But Spiced Apple Chestnut, delicious. I love it so much. Okay, we're going through it. Fireside Chat that just finished making samples of for my December Happy Mail. I like this one. It's very spicy and cinnamon, but kind of like masculine in a way. I'm into it. Okay, this is I think the last brick I've been through. I've got one more brick in my collection I'm not done with, but this is Sweet Orange Pomander. It was a hit. A lot of people smelled this one at the Halloween thing that I did, and they liked it a lot. This is very like classic Christmas scent. If you put this in your kitchen or living room to warm as people come in for like a holiday get together, this would be a hit, I think. And then we're almost done. This is all the stuff that I've been warming October and November. So I meant to do it at the end of October, but then I forgot. So I need to do this more often. Okay, this is another one that I'm sad about. Coffee Tree was Bring Back My Bar, which is like where they bring back retired scents every 6 months or something, and you have to vote on it. This one didn't make it for January, so I'm hoping next June this one will come back and I can put it in my club, because Coffee Tree is such a good true coffee scent. It literally smells like fresh brewed coffee with a little bit of cream in it, and it's so strong and it lasts and lasts and lasts. This is one that's just a high performer, and I'm sad that it's gone. But I have the clamshell to smell, so it could be worse, I guess. Okay, Snowberry is currently in my brother's room, and it's way lighter. It's kind of hard for me to pick up because it's so light and I'm not in their room all the time. But it's got that like, it's a nice strawberry scent. It's very easy on the nose. If somebody's like sensitive to smells, especially cinnamon smells, I think this would be a good alternative. It's one of the lighter ones, so this one's very good. And then, let's see here. Pumpkin Cinnamon Swirl, I finished. Honestly, I don't remember when I finished this. I don't know when I did that. But I think I had to finish it in my room because my mom is not big on pumpkin. So, Pumpkin Cinnamon Swirl, I like it. Just a classic good pumpkin smell. Let's see. This one my cousin gave to me. 3 Wishes. It's not available anymore. I'm very sad because it is such a nice fruity scent. It kind of smells like fruity bubblegum. I don't know. I'm very into it. It's delicious smelling. I'm so sad. If this ever comes back, this is going in my club. Because it's got a little bit of blueberry in it, so. And we don't have any blueberry else in any other scent that I know of right now. But in January, we're getting the Blueberry Rush back in Bring Back My Bar, so I am thrilled to smell that one. I think I get to buy mine early in December, so I'm gonna do a first sniff session of that, and then probably like make samples and send them out. But yeah, so this one's Fairy Tale Pumpkin. It was the scent of the month for October, and I finished all of it. Open. This one, very polarizing. I learned that a lot of people did not like it. I liked it enough. It's got a licorice note in it, so it's very unique in that, so it's not a straightforward pumpkin. I finished it just for like sampling and trying it myself in the house and seeing how it performed, but I wouldn't buy this again if I had the option. And I think that like there are better pumpkin scents that we have. And then birthday wishes. I warmed this entire bar the week of Cameron's birthday. He turned 15 in October. Oh, it's so good. I put this in my Scentsy club because it sold out, and it's like just a good, really like vanilla cake mix flavor scented thing. Not flavor, what am I talking about? Scented. I like it a lot. I left my little 7 on there. Oops. I labeled a bunch of this stuff for my shows, and then I end up taking it off because people get confused when you have your price stickers on it. Hug in a Mug, we really like a lot. It's chocolate, hazelnut, and cookie dough, if I remember correctly. It's so delicious. We just finished it, and we put the rest of it in our Escape the Day Away warmer, and it's so sweet. I love it. This is a classic. Like, if I had to introduce somebody to Scentsy for the first time, I think that would make them smell this one first. So, it's a good one, and we're on the last one. Okay. This one's a little discolored, but that's okay, because it's still good. Graham Cracker Crunch, we have in our Scentsy club. Well, I say we because my mom made me put it in there. But it's really good. It's got that peanut butter note and creamy vanilla, I think. And it's just a little bit of cinnamon. It's very true to what is named, Graham Cracker Crunch. And I think the little design is so cute. Look at the peanut butter and the cracker. I think it's adorable. These, like, I don't know. These designs just make me happy because they're so different for each one. Okay, so that's all the wax I've been through in the past 2 months. Yeah, so now I'm really out. Okay, so now I've got some things I'm currently using. Right now I'm going through the Black Raspberry Vanilla Scentsy Fresh. I sprayed my pillows with this on my bed because I did my laundry a couple days ago. My sheets. And then Counter Clean. This is almost half empty because we use it so much. This is the cider mill. Delicious. And I also just... Thanks. I love how you're just chucking those. Yeah. Well, my bed's like 2 feet away, so it's my little catch-all. But this Counter Clean's really good. So when I finish it, I'll tell you. And then we're using cider mill dish soap right now. I think it's like right there with how much is left. We like it a lot, a lot, a lot. We're using Luna washer whisk. Can I be honest? I don't like Luna as much as other people do. So it's like not used a whole bunch. To me, Luna washer whisk has a little bit of a chemical smell that I get from my nose. Nobody else says it, but I get like a chemical smell, and it's not my favorite, but I will use it or give it as samples. So it's not gonna go to waste. But my preferred laundry scent is Black Raspberry Vanilla washer whisk. Just like little scent granules you put in the washer drum, and it scents the water. Now this is not detergent, so you have to add your pod or your liquid detergent or whatever. But we're about halfway down on that. And I've gotten Cameron and Garrett cooked. Yikes, yeah, I know, yeah. Luna, it smells good and everything else, but the washer whiffs are not my fave. But I will use them. Yeah, but Cameron and Garrett really like using this one too for their clothes. And then we got Clothesline. This is my second favorite, I think. I go back and forth between Clothesline and Black Raspberry Vanilla. Clothesline smells like every good scent on the laundry aisle. When you walk down the laundry aisle and you smell all the like dryer sheets, this is what it smells like. I love it. Because it's like stronger. This one is stronger in the tub, and then when you use it, it kind of like mellows out. But Black Raspberry Vanilla for me feels like it's as strong on the sheets or whatever you wash it in as it is in here. Okay, I've got 4 more things. Okay. We're using the Amazon Rain dryer discs right now. And I don't have a problem. Like, they don't mix poorly, the scents. I think it mixes just fine. So it comes with a pack of 2, but I've got 1 left. I'm doing laundry right now, so I can't show you the one that's in there. But I like it. Good enough. I think when I run out of all these washer whiffs, I want to change to Amazon Rain because it's a lot nicer than I expected when I first started. I got the pods, those pods right there, in Amazon Rain, and I was like, I don't like this scent. I need to give it away, so I did. And then now I like it. I just can't make up my mind ever. Okay, then I'm almost done with my body wash. Candy Crave. It says that it's raspberry sorbet, cotton candy, and marshmallow. I like it a lot, as you can see. It's almost gone. Love it. And then these go together because I'm taking my Bright Cider Life hand soap and I do a quarter down there and then I mix it with water and like rip. I have my washer right now. Amazon Rain. It's great. I agree. What do you have in your washer? Warmer. You have Amazon Rain in your warmer. I can't read. Yeah, it's really good. I don't know why I didn't like it when I first smelled it, but now it's good. I don't know. I think my nose got more mature. But yeah, this is what we're using in the bathroom right now. And then I didn't get the other one, but we have a second dispenser like this in my mom and dad's bathroom, and their soap is Shimmer, I think, right now. So they're going to be getting through that. But yeah, that's all the things that I've been through. I don't think I'm missing anything. Right now I'm warming Baby Rain Current, and then I just have the lights on. I'm not diffusing right now. But yeah, and then if you're interested in a diffuser, there's a really good sale coming in December. I'm gonna have to tell y'all all about it, but that thing is gonna be even sweeter of a deal. So yeah. Thank you for joining, Jessica. I think I'm gonna hop off now because I've gone over everything. Bye. See you later, alligator. How do I close this?